Today I am going to take a discussion on value of right. Okay, so before discussing value of right, we must understand the term right shares. What is right share? We know that a company can raise share capital by three methods. Okay, so first method is by way of public issue, and the second one is private placement, and the third one is right issue. Okay, what is right issue or right shares? Right shares are those shares which are issued to the existing shareholders of the company in proportion of their current shareholdings. Such type of shares are called right shares. Okay, then what is value of right? Value of right means this is the right enjoyed by the current shareholders or existing shareholders when a company issuing right shares. This is called this right is called value of right. That is, when a company offers right issue or when a company conducting right issue, the price of such issue is always lower than or less than the current market price of the shares. So thus there is a discount for such issue. Such a discount is called value of right, or money value of such advantage is called value of right. Okay, so this value of right also called preemptive rights. This is also called preemptive rights. Moving to next slide. Calculation of value of right. How we calculate the value of right? There are two methods for calculating value of right. Method 1. There are three steps involved in calculating value of right as per method 1. First step is to calculate the total price of all the shares. All the shares means existing shares plus right shares. Okay, so how we calculate that? Market price of the existing shares. There is a market value for existing shares which is shown in the or which is given in the question paper. Market price of the existing shares plus issue price of the right shares. That is issue price of the proportionate right shares. Total is the value, total price of all the shares. This is step 1. Okay, so we adding market price of the existing shares plus issue price of the right shares. Moving to second step, calculate the average price of shares. Average price is also called theoretical market price of shares. So having a simple formula for calculating average price of the shares, that is total price as per step 1 divided by number of existing shares plus number of right shares. So we have a result in as per step 1 which is divided by number of existing shares and number of right shares. This is equal to this is average price. Okay, and last step is calculate or determine the value of right. How we determine the value of right? There is an equation for that. Value of right is equal to market price of the share minus average price of the share. Okay, market price normally given in the question paper. Okay, average price we already calculated through the second step. This is the way as per method 1. Okay, moving to second method, method 2. It is simple method. Only there is no need to calculate, or there is no need of step-by-step operation or step-by-step calculation. You can easily calculate the value of right by a simple formula, that is number of new or right shares divided by number of existing shares plus number of new shares into market price minus issue price. This is the simple formula for calculating value of right. This is the second method. This is a simple method, no need to calculate step by step, only apply this formula. Okay, we get the value of right. Okay, Sometimes in question paper there is another question relating to value of right, that is percentage increase in share capital after right issue. Okay, there is a percentage, how much percentage is increased in share capital after the right issue. Okay, how we calculate that? There is a simple formula for calculating percentage increase in share capital, that is increase in share capital after right issue divided by share capital before right issue into 100. This is the formula for calculating percentage increase in share capital after right issue. Okay, concluding that, what is value of right? Value of right means the right enjoyed by the existing shareholders when a company issue right shares. This is called value of right. Thank you.